Dear student, we will continue with exercise 6.3. In this, already I have solved 3 questions in the first part. So now we will start with the fourth question. It is in figure, this is the figure, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So there are two triangles. This is the smaller triangle, that is PQS, and the larger triangle, that is TQR. We need to show them they are similar. See, for that what we have, see what is given to us, we'll write down. What is given to us? QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. Fine. See, QR by QS, QT by, I need to show PQ. So if I am able to show QT by PQ, instead of, if I am able to show PR is equal to PQ, one part of my proof will be done, because see, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So what can I write? So with this relation I can show PR is equal to PQ. After that, what can I show? Angle Q is common. So then what it will become? QR by QS is equal to QT by QP. By SAS similarity criteria, both the triangle will be similar. So that only I am going to do. So then one more thing, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Since angle 1 is equal to angle 2, what is the side opposite to angle 1? So that is PR is equal to, what is side opposite to angle 2? That is PQ. Now I am able to show this. So in triangle PQS and triangle TQR, angle Q is equal to angle Q, because in both the TQR and PQS angle Q is common angle, and it is given that QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. It is given. Now in case of PR, what can I write? QR by QS is equal to QT by, so instead of PR I can write PQ. This is from equation 1. So QR by QS, QT by QP, what does it convey? So included angle, and the two sides are proportional and included angle is equal. So included angle of one triangle is equal to included angle of other triangle, and the included sides are proportional. Two angles are equal and included angles are, two angles are equal and two included sides are proportional. So through SAS, so triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Why? Because of SAS similarity criteria. Hope you understood. See, two angles are equal and their corresponding included angle are proportional. That is the reason through SAS similarity criteria, triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. So we showed it. So please note this down. Next, fifth question. S and T are the points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. See, there is a triangle PQR. So on side PR S is there, and on QR T is there. Okay, and what is given? Angle P is equal to angle RTS. That is given. We need to show triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. We need to show triangle. We need to show triangle RPQ. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now, okay. Now, what I am going to write? See, what is given to us? We'll write it down. Angle P is equal to angle RTS. Fine. Now, what is required to prove? To prove, this is the standard way of writing. So, what is required to prove? We need to prove triangle RPQ. Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now, so we'll go to the proof part. So this is the standard way of writing a solution. So if you write like this, so the evaluator will not deduct any mark. Okay. Proof. So in triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. So what can I write? It is given that angle P is equal to angle RTS. So why it is given? Now what is common here? Angle R is equal to angle RC. In case of RST, angle R is there. In case of angle RPQ, angle R is there. So angle R is equal to angle R, that is common angle. So what can I write now? See, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS because angle P is similar, angle P is equal to angle T and angle R is equal to angle R. That is the reason RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. So why? Because of AA similarity criteria, angle similarity criteria. So this is the proof, required proof. Please note this down. Now sixth question. In figure, if triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. So we'll write down the given part. So what is given to us? Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. So with this, what we can draw? So where is AB? This AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. Next, because these are CPCT. Through CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle, those will be equal. So that only I am writing. AB is equal to AC. Then BE is equal to CD. Then what can I write? AD is equal to A is equal to AD. AE is equal to AD. See, this triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. So AB is equal to AC, BE is equal to CD, AE is equal to AD. Okay. Why? Because of CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So I'll call this as equation 1. So now what is required to prove? We'll write down. Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. I need to prove. So I'll go to the proof part. So in this, which are the triangles that I need to consider? I need to consider these two triangles. So consider triangle ADE and triangle ABC. Now angle A is equal to angle A because they are common angle. In ADE angle A is there, in ABC also angle A is there. So common angle. Next, so if I see AB by AD, if I take the ratio AC by AE, they are equal because AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE. Since AB is equal to AC and AD is equal to AE, the ratio will be equal. So what can I write? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Why? Because angle A is there. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. So angle, see, one angle of this triangle is equal to the corresponding angle of other triangle, and the included sides of those two angles are proportional. Included sides of those two angles. See, angle A is there in triangle ADE and angle A is there in triangle ABC. So what are the included sides? AB, AD, AC, AE of the two triangles. Then those two are proportional. So this is because of SAS, similarity criterion. So two angles and their included sides are proportional. Two angles are equal and their included sides are proportional. Through SAS similarity criteria, the two triangles will be similar. Please note this down. Now, seventh question. In figure, altitudes AD and CE of a triangle, triangle ABC. So AD and CE are the altitudes of triangle ABC. They are going to intersect at point P. Show that triangle ADP, triangle AEP is similar to triangle DCP, and triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE, and triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB, and triangle PDC, where is triangle PDC? Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. I need to show that. So what is given to us? We'll write it down first. AD and CE are altitudes. Fine. Since those two are altitudes, then angle AEP is equal to angle CDP is equal to 90 degrees, because both are altitudes. So what is required to prove? So do one thing, copy this. Same thing we need required to prove. So I don't want to write and waste the time. Please copy the same thing here. Next, proof part. The first one. So consider triangle AEP and triangle DCP. Okay, in this angle AEP is equal to angle CDP, both are 90 degree. This is given. Next, what can I write? Angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Why? Because both are vertical. See, angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Both are vertical opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles. So triangle AEP is similar to triangle DCP. Why? Because of AA similarity criteria. Hope you understood. Next, what we need to second part. The second part, we need to prove triangle ABD. Triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE. I need to prove. Okay. So for that, what I do, I will not write this. I will consider both the triangles. That is, consider triangle ABD and triangle CBE. So, where is triangle ABD? Triangle ABD. Where is triangle CBE? Triangle CBE. Now, one thing we can observe, when I say angle ABD and triangle CBE, angle B is equal to angle B because it's a common angle. Fine. Next. So, angle ABD, angle CBE. So, what can I write in this? Angle ADB, angle ADB is equal to angle CEB, which is equal to 90 degree, because C is perpendicular to AB. Since it is an altitude, that will be perpendicular, obviously that will be equal to 90 degree. So this is also given. So what we can write, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE because of AA similarity criteria. Understood? Next, third one I will prove here. What is there? Consider triangle. Consider triangle AEP and triangle ADB. AEP and ADB. Just check. Where is AEP? AEP and ADB. ADB, these two triangles. Okay. So what can I write? When I read angle AEP, angle ABD or ADB, so what is common here? Angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Fine. Next, see, when I say AEP, angle AEP is equal to angle ADB, which is equal to 90 degrees. This is also given because this is altitude. So PE will be altitude. Since P is on line CE, since CE is an altitude, so PE will be also altitude. So that is the reason that will be 90 degree. And even in case of AD, point P is there on AD, so PD will be also altitude to side BC. That is the reason angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. AEP is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So again, triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB. This is because of AA similarity criteria. Okay, simple. Next, fourth, triangle PDC. Triangle PDC is similar to triangle DEC. We need to show. So I'll write down. Consider triangle PDC and triangle DEC. Okay. Now where is triangle PDC? PDC. Okay, where is triangle BEC? BEC. Now, triangle PDC is equal to angle BEC is equal to 90 degree. It is given. Next, what is there? See, where is PDC? PDC. Where is BEC? BEC. So what is common in both the case? Angle C is common. So angle C is equal to angle C, PDC and PEB, correct. PDC, BEC, PDC, BEC, correct. Angle C is equal to angle C, it is common angle. So from these two, what we can say? Triangle PDC is similar to triangle BEC. Why? Because of AA similarity criteria. So hope you understood. Please note this down. In all the case, we made use of AA similarity criteria. Please note this down. So 8th question. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram, AD is produced and E is the point on the AD produced. And one more thing, BE. So we will join BE and CD intersect at point F. Now we need to show triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFD. Looks complicated but very much simple. See what is given. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram and BE and CD intersects at F. And what we need to prove? We need to prove triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Fine. Next. So proof. Consider triangle ABE. Consider triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Okay. Now, so you know ABCD is a parallelogram. So what is the property of a parallelogram? One of the properties, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Angle A is equal to angle C. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Next, angle FBC or CBF, angle CBF is equal to angle AEB. Why? Because BC is parallel to AE and these are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. And see, opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. These will be equal and parallel. And what is E? See, AD is produced to E. Obviously, if BC is parallel to AD, BC is parallel to AE. So that only I have written. BC is parallel to AE. So from 1 and 2, see, from these two what I can write? Triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So why? This is because of AA angle similarity criteria. So please note this down. Ninth question. In figure, ABC and AMP. ABC and AMP are two right angle triangles. Right angled at B and right angled at M. Prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. So you can stop at this point. It is very much similar to the previous question and you can solve it on your own, or else you can look at the board. See what is given to us. Triangle ABC and triangle AMP are right angled triangles. Right angled triangles, and angle ABC is equal to 90 degree and angle AMP is equal to 90 degree. Okay, so what is required to prove? So please do copy these two things. I will not write, so I will write the proof part. These two are required to prove. What is proof? So consider triangle ABC and triangle AMP. Okay, so what I can write? So angle ABC is equal to angle AMP is equal to 90 degree because it is given. Okay, next, angle A is equal to angle A. See, angle A is common in both the triangles. ABC, you can find angle A here. Angle in triangle AMP also you will find angle A. So common angle. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. This is because of AA similarity criteria. Okay, now since these two triangles are similar, what can I write? CA by PA is equal to BC by MP. Where is CA? CA by PA, bases are equal. Let's see. So hypotenuse. CA, PA are hypotenuse. CA by PA, and where is BC? BC, base BC, MP. So I have written. See why it is? Because corresponding sides of similar triangles. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So please note this down. Dear students, so question number 10th will be a homework. Please, it is very much similar to the previous questions. I don't want to solve it. You try and solve it at home. 10th and 11th are very much similar. These two will be your homework. If you have any difficulty, please contact me. I am going to resolve it for you. Okay. So please update the notes till 11th question. So in the next class, you are going to study the problem. You are going to deal with the problems number 12 to number 16. So thank you.